crying over you. Running to my mind, girl, you're all over me, yeah. Don't know why you're always on my mind. On my mind like every other time. Early in the morning, girl, it's you in my thought. I'm drowning in the ocean of your love. Deep down, I ain't going nowhere. Catch me, girl, me gonna go further.
I think it's crazy how you look my way. All the other guys who distracted flew by and bathing it. She said I'm lucky if I get my way. Seeing all my guys run their business is what'll make a break. You see I'm crossing over ponds. From the UK to New York, we are here moving to the song. Never miss a lyric, speak the truth is all I'm on. Here I'm rapping on my business, in the end I'll come out strong.
Fight over you like I'm crying over you. Running to my mind, girl, you're all over me, yeah. Don't know why you're always on my mind. On my mind like every other time. Early in the morning, girl, it's you in my thought. I'm drowning in the ocean of your love. Deep down, I ain't going nowhere. Catch me, girl, me gonna go further.
I know my man, them gotta know. Stuffing in the Audi times the essence, man, they've gotta go. Gotta trust my fam to push me out and hit the road. Man, it's time to take a minute, strap my jack and flying low. I saw you capping on your Instagram, snapped a girl asking to see if she'd even make the plans. What you got there, an excuse, but she's due to land. She said maybe bon appetit before you do your dance. Roll up popping with Givenchy or Dior. Said the latest fashion line got you fresh, not looking poor. The one to wear the
Hey, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Asia G, and if you're not, welcome back. So we've already spent the morning like doing Pilates in the gym, and now it's time to get in like my first meal of the day. I usually eat about 11 or 12. Wait, that's the timer. So I'm gonna eat, and then we have a 4-mile run in about an hour and a half. So really, I'm eating really close to the time we're supposed to be running. But last weekend I went out to eat, and I went to this place called City Silo, and they had this sunshine burrito, and I feel like I can remake it. So that's what we're gonna do today, and it should have a little bit of protein in it because it's gonna have eggs in it, so it's not gonna be plant-based. It's gonna have eggs in it, and then they got like a little soy protein kind of patty in it because they used a silo burger, but I don't have this, so we used the protein patty. So that's gonna be our two. Oh, and we got some quinoa. Baby, how you say that? Is that right?
Quinoa.
We have some quinoa, and that's another source of protein as well. But they had quinoa, sweet potatoes, and brown rice in theirs, and I don't need all those carbs. Like, so I just gonna do the sweet potatoes and the quinoa, and I'm burning the eggs.
Always know that. Hey. You gotta roll. Here we go. Hey. Yeah.
I'ma keep it real with you.
Yeah.
I'ma keep it real.
I told my baby you the only one I trust. I told my shawty you ain't gotta make a fuss. When I was down out of luck and you stuck, it was us in a rut. Woke up, I hit a chick for you. Baby, give me life, you know I live for you. Ride or die, kill for you. Let them talk slick, I'ma have to split a wig for you. Where you grab my chain, got me feeling like Jibs on you. You know I'm here for you. Baby, if you ever try to leave, I'ma beg, I'ma plead, I'ma have to hit my knees. Girl, you got me shedding tears for you. Whisper in your ear, let me make it real clear. You gon' always know that I'ma keep it chill with you. I'ma keep it straight 100 for you. Hey, you my 10 and my number one. You the grand prize I'm gunning for, yeah. I'ma keep it trill with you. Didn't know angels exist. Heaven opens when we kiss. Let me make it real clear for you. Baby, I'ma keep it trill with you. Yeah, yeah, hey, yeah. I touch you, baby, you're the only one I need.
Alright, crisis averted. So now that mostly everything is done, let's start building this burrito.
Stop, wait right here. Let me get you in the moment. Yeah, yeah. Hold up, freeze. Stay right here. Let me get you in focus. Yeah, yeah. All I see is you and me. Slow it down and let it breathe. Hold up, stop. Wait right here. Let me get you in focus. You from LA, but live in Atlanta. You want it all, and I ain't even mad at you. Yeah. Pause for the flick, glad glass half full, baby, can I take a sip? Got them all mad when you looking like this. Told them don't trip. You all I wanna see, the star of my show. My baby's so HD, can't take my eyes off. I never wanna be on your bad side. Face it, girl, you ain't got a bad side. Got them all beat by last.
I think I put too much dill in here, but it is still very edible. The men eat anything, so if I like it, he gonna like it.
Wait right here, let me get you in the moment. Yeah, yeah. Hold up, freeze, stay right there. Let me get you in focus.
I think I overstuffed them.
Hold up, freeze, stay right there. Let me get you in focus. Yeah, yeah. All I see is you and me. Slow it down and let it breathe. Hold up, stop. Hold up. Wait right here. Let me get you in focus. Hey.
Okay, it's all done. It only took me an hour and some change. Let's bite into it and see. I should have chopped that cilantro up more. I already don't like cilantro, but I'm determined to make myself like it. Ooh, I'm gonna use that Ramch as a dipping sauce too, so let's do that. Needless to say, that was really good. I need to practice on my burrito making skills, as well as how to say quinoa. And today was my first time actually making it, and it turned out really well. It only took 15 minutes. I don't know why I thought it was gonna take like 30-40 minutes like I was making rice. So I got cilantro in my teeth. Better. Okay. But you can also make this like without the egg. You can use the vegan eggs out of the vegan section at the store, or you can make like your own like a flour chick paste egg mixture. And we may do that in another video. There will be a plant-based video. I'm not sure when it's gonna be, but we'll try it again and make it all plant-based. I think that'll be fun and tasty as well. So if you live in Memphis, Tennessee, you should check out City Silo. It is a farm-to-table restaurant. They have vegan option, vegetarian option, but they do also have meat like chicken. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe. I put out videos every single Wednesday. I do not miss. I am participating in VLOGTOBER. The goal is 2 videos a week for the month of October. See what we're doing over here, and please leave a comment if y'all have any questions or any suggestions about new recipes that I should try. So I will see you guys next time. And until then.
I'm crying over you. Running to my mind, girl, you're all over me. Don't know why you're always on my mind. On my mind like every other time.